How to change currency on Amazon. So the first step is by opening your Amazon app and then go to this three lines found on the lower right corner of the screen. Once you're right here, make sure to click on settings, which is the second option, and then choose the country and language right here, and then wait for it to load. Once it is done loading, make sure to choose currency right here, and you may scroll down and look for the currency that you want. So for example, I am in the Philippines right now, so I'll choose Philippine peso right here or peso. Simply click on done, wait for it to load, and then as you can see now that the products that you are about to choose, for example, this one is now on the currency that you have chosen. So that's it. That's how you can change currency on Amazon.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.